Hogue is no small YouTuber. He talks about everything from passive income, how to create a blog and make money from it, as well as be successful. Also, one of the main reasons why I follow him is he talks a lot about dividend investing and what stocks you should buy. He is very informative. He is an ex-Marine and he has written 10 books. And today I'm going to be talking about his book, Step by Step Dividend Investing. In the book, Step by Step Dividend Investing, Joseph starts out the very beginning of this book stating his claim to why investors should be dividend investors. One of the very main things that he speaks about is the stability of dividend stocks in comparison to bonds. He also goes into great detail to explain how dividends have performed in comparison to the overall stock market. Now, one of the main things that Joseph talks about in this book is how dividend investing can keep investors from panicking and selling off their stocks whenever the prices start to drop. Now, a good thing about this book is if you're new to investing, or maybe you're just new to investing in dividend stocks, Joseph talks about what dividends are, how they are paid, and when they are paid, along with special dividends and the terms and importance of these terms around dividend investing. In the next chapters of the book, Joseph introduces readers to the different types of dividend stocks, such as aristocrats, utilities, consumer staples, also tech stocks. He does a wonderful job explaining to his readers what REITs are, as well as MLPs, the different tax breaks they get, and why you should not hold certain types of dividend stocks in certain types of retirement portfolios. Now, one of the last things that he does in wrapping up this book is he gives a step-by-step dividend investing strategy. He tells readers how to allocate into different sectors with dividend stocks, as well as the type of dividend stocks they should hold in different types of investment portfolios. Also, he talks about DRIP, as well as when an investor should sell their dividend stocks. He finishes off this book with different resources that dividend investors can use in order to help them better analyze stocks, such as Yahoo Finance, Morningstar, Bloomberg, and he also references to 2 other books that he has around investing, such as Step by Step Investing and also Step by Step Bond Investing. If you are looking to grab or read or download any of Joseph Hogue's books, you can find them on Amazon.com. I personally downloaded this book on Audible, but if you have unlimited Kindle, some of these books are free with your unlimited Kindle service. If you guys enjoyed this book review and you found this content to be helpful or even entertaining, please be sure to hit that like button. Also, if you want to help out a small YouTuber like me, make sure to subscribe to this channel so that you receive updates when I create other videos like this around personal finances, investing, and how to become the best version of yourself. I am Marie Brown. This is my channel, Minds in Motion. I will leave a link in the description so that you can also subscribe to Joseph Hogue's channel, and make sure that you do all you can to become the best you can. You guys have an amazing day.